Hello there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get obsidian mode in Discord. Firstly guys, go to your profile section by typing on your profile photo right down on your right side, and then you need to go and scroll down and find for app settings section and selecting the fourth selection that says appearance. Click on it, and now on the second selection, which is selected by dark, you need to type multiple times right there to get that obsidian mode. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Go click more times, and now guys, as you can see, we have got it, this obsidian mode. What we need to do, just simply turn on this side, and in the darkness evil lines are available. That means that we have get our obsidian mode in Discord. Now you can see it is totally different right here. And that's it guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.